Welcome to Shisha Study. Today we discuss about 50 famous historical places. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch complete video. Top 50 questions covered India and world places. First question. The world famous Khajuraho sculpture are located in? Answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Khajuraho sculpture located in Chhatarpur district, Madhya Pradesh. Built by Chandela dynasty. Nanuka is the founder of Chandela dynasty and capital of Chandela dynasty is Khajuraho. It is UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1986. Nagara style architectural symbolism. Nagara style means this like structure. It means peak like structure. This is the Nagara style architectural symbolism. Next question. National Institute of Nutrition is located at which of the following places? Answer is option D, Hyderabad. Next question. Vijayaghat is situated on the bank of? Answer is option B, Yamuna River. The Yamuna River is a tributary of the Ganga River. Vijayaghat. Vijayaghat is a tomb name of Lal Bahadur Shastri located at Delhi. Vijayaghat is the memorial of India's second Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. First Prime Minister name is Jawaharlal Nehru. India's first female Prime Minister is Indira Gandhi. Lal Bahadur Shastri slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Next question. The Indian Institute of Science is located at? Answer is option D, Bangalore. Next question. The world famous Ajanta caves are situated in the state of? Very, very important question. Answer is option C, Maharashtra. The first Buddhist cave monument is Ajanta cave during the Gupta period. Founder of Gupta Empire is Sri Gupta and capital is Pataliputra. New name of Pataliputra is Patna. And famous ruler of Gupta Empire is Samudragupta, Chandragupta II and Kumaragupta I. Next question. Which city is called White City of Rajasthan? Answer is option C, Udaipur. Jodhpur, Jaipur and Udaipur, all these cities are located in Rajasthan. Highest number of deserts present in Rajasthan. In area wise, biggest state is Rajasthan. Jodhpur, also known as Blue City of India. Jaipur, it is the capital of Rajasthan. It is also known as Pink City of India because all buildings are in pink color. Udaipur, also known as White City of India. Jodhpur, Blue City of India. Jaipur, Pink City of India. And Udaipur, White City of India. Next question. Buland Darwaza is located in? Answer is option C, Fatehpur Sikri. Explanation. Fatehpur Sikri is a town in the Agra district of Uttar Pradesh. Agra district of Uttar Pradesh. Founded by Akbar. Akbar is the famous ruler of Mughals. Next question. The famous Dilwara temples are situated in? Answer is option D, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Kanchipuram is in which of the following states? Answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Kanchipuram silk sarees, it is very famous in India. Kanchipuram is also known as Kanchi. This temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Next question. Indian Institution of Sugar Technology is located at? Answer is option B, Kanpura. Kanpura is located on Uttar Pradesh or UP. Manchester of North India is Kanpur and South India is Coimbatore. Next question. Ajanta Ellora caves are situated near? Answer is option D, Aurangabad. Aurangabad is located on Maharashtra. Ajanta and Ellora caves are designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. 1983. UNESCO established year 16 November 1945. Headquarter located on Paris, France. Next question. The Charminar is in? Important question. Answer is option D, Hyderabad. It was constructed in 1591 by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Constructed year 1591. Next question. Sun Temple is situated at which of the following places? Answer is option D, Konark, Odisha. The image of this temple is on the 10 rupees note. This is the Konark Sun Temple. Konark Sun Temple, Odisha, built by Narasimha Deva I from Ganga dynasty. Mahabalipuram, built by Narasimha Varman I from Pallava dynasty. Brihadishwara Temple, Tanjavuru, Tamil Nadu, built by Rajaraja I from Chola dynasty. Konark Sun Temple, Narasimha Deva I, Mahabalipuram, Narasimha Varman I, and Brihadishwara Temple, Rajaraja I. Next question. Where is the Indian Military Academy located? Answer is option A, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Next question. The Central Rice Research Institute is located at? Answer is option B, Cuttack, Odisha. West Bengal is the largest producer of rice in India. West Bengal. Tea, Assam. Coffee, Karnataka. Central Rice Research Institute, Cuttack. Next question. The Raman Research Institute is located in which of the following cities? Answer is option D, Bangalore. Next question. Sanchi Stupa is located near? Answer is option C, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal disaster or Bhopal gas tragedy was the chemical accident on the night of 2 to 3 December 1984. Here is very important, 1984. Sanchi Stupa. The Indian Institution of Science is situated at? Answer is option A, Bangalore. The institute was established in 1909 with active support from Jamshedji Tata and thus also locally known as the Tata Institute. Established year 1909. Where is Chitrakoot situated? Answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Chitrakoot, Uttar Pradesh. Chitrakoot is situated on the bank of river Mandakini in Uttar Pradesh. Mandakini, Uttar Pradesh. The Mandakini river is a tributary of the Alakananda river. Next question. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is located in which of the following states? Answer is option D, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Mumbai Port is India's largest port by size. Mumbai Port. Next question. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center is located at? Answer is option D, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Next question. The Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University is at which of the following places? Answer is option B, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. The National Institute of Virology is situated at? Answer is option A, Pune, Maharashtra. Study of virus known as virology. Next question. Where is the headquarters of Oil and Natural Gas Commission? Answer is option B, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Founded year 14 August 1956. Headquarters Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Current chairman of Oil and Natural Gas is Rajesh Kumar Srivastava. Important point. Next question. Sariska and Ranatambur are the reserve for which of the following animals? Answer is option C, Bengal tiger. Located at Alwar district of the state of Rajasthan. Next question. The headquarters of the National Power Training Institute is located in? Answer is option A, Faridabad. NPTI, National Power Training Institute, Faridabad, located in Haryana. Next question. Which of the following is known as Garden City of India? Answer is option B, Bangalore. Silicon City of India and Garden City of India and Electronic City of India is Bangalore. Garden City, Silicon City and Electronic City. Next question. National Police Academy is located at? Answer is option B, Hyderabad. National Police Academy is also known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy. First Home Minister of India is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Every year, October 31st celebrated on National Unity Day. Birth date of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. National Police Academy. Next question. Where is the National Remote Sensing Agency situated? National Remote Sensing Agency. Answer is option C, Shadnagar. Shadnagar, located in Telangana. Next question. In which of the following cities Lal Bahadur Stadium is located? Answer is option D, Hyderabad, Telangana. India's second Prime Minister is Lal Bahadur Shastri and current Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And current and 15th President of India is Draupadi Murmu. Next question. Where is the National Defence College situated? Answer is option A, New Delhi. National Defence College. Next question. Where is the Venkateshwara Temple located? Answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Venkateshwara Temple. It is situated on the Venkata Hill in Chittor district of Andhra Pradesh, India. Venkata Hill, Chittor district. The temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. The architectural style of the temple is Dravidian. It is also one of the richest temple in the world. Next question. Black Pagoda is in. Answer is option C, Konark. Next question. Bijapura is known for it is. Answer is option C, famous Gol Gumbaz. Located in Karnataka. Bijapura located in Karnataka. Gol Gumbaz is the most famous monument in Vijayapura or Bijapuram. Both district are same. It is the tomb of Muhammad Adil Shah. Tomb of Muhammad Adil Shah. Next question. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research is located at. Answer is option D, Kalpakam. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research is located in Tamil Nadu. Founded year 1971. Next question. Mahabalipuram is located at. Answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu. Constructed by Narasimha Varman, also known as Mamalla. Narasimha Varman, also known as Mamalla. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. It is built in Dravidian style. 1984. Next question. Bagh, a village in Gwalior, is famous for. Answer is option A, cave painting. Bagh. Next question. Famous Somanatha temple is in which of the following states? Answer is option C, Gujarat. Somanath temple. It is also mentioned in Rigveda. There are 4 types of Vedas. First one is Rigveda. Somanatha temple is one of the 12 Adi Jyotirlingas of India, located in Gujarat. Next question. Indian Cancer Research Institute is located at. Answer is option D, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Indian Cancer Research Institute. Next question. Next question. Which city is called Diamond City of India? Important question. Answer is option C, Surat. Surat is located in Gujarat. Next question. Nuclear Science Center has been established at which of the following university? Answer is option D, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Answer is option D, Italy. Height of Leaning Tower of Pisa is 55.86 meter in feet, 183 feet 3 inches. Next question. The Yellowstone National Park is in. Answer is option A, USA. World first national park is Yellowstone National Park, located in USA. India's first national park is Jim Corbett National Park. It is also known as Hali National Park or Ramganga National Park, located in Uttarakhand. The Yellowstone National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Question. Waterloo is located in. Answer is option A, Belgium. The Battle of Waterloo was fought on 18 June 1815. 18 June 1815. Battle of Waterloo. Next question. Khyber Pass is in? Answer is option B, Pakistan. Next question. Bethlehem is associated with? Answer is option A, Jesus Christ. Next question. Where is Mecca? Answer is option B, Saudi Arabia. Mecca is Islam's holiest city and it is the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad. Next question. The famous Eiffel Tower is in? Answer is option A, Paris. Next question. First Indian university opened in 1857 was in? Answer is option B, Kolkata. Kolkata is located on the bank of the Hooghly River. Next question, last question. The International Rice Research Institute is located in? This is the International Rice Research. Answer is option D, Philippines. The International Rice Research Institute. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.